At least I brought you orange juice. I wanna break up with you. At least I brought you orange juice. I won't forget the time we spent, although it was way too intense. It's not your fault.